Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 228. If we start with this box, we're missing 3 and 7. We have a 3 here, so 7, 3. For this box, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 4 here, so 7, 4. For this column, we're missing a 1. For this column, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 8, 9. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 3, 7. For this row, we're missing 1 and 4, and I don't see any help. So 1, 4, 1, 4. For this row, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 4, 7. That 4 makes this our 1, 4. For this box now, we're missing 6, 7, and 8. We've got a 6 here and a 7 here, so this is our 8. That 6 makes this our 7, 6. For this row, we're just missing a 3. For this box, we're missing 4, 8, and 9. We've got a 9 covering here and a 9 covering here, so our 9 must be here, but I don't see any other help. So 4, 8, 4, 8. For this top row, we're missing 1, 3, and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 1, 3, 1 here, so 3, 6, 3 here, so 1, 6. For this column, we're missing 2 and 6. I don't see any help, so 2, 6, 2, 6. For this column, we're missing 3, 4, and 8. We've got a 3 here, so 4, 8. So it looks like the only place the 3 can be in that column is here. For this row now, we're missing 1, 4, and 8. We've got a 4 here, so 1, 8. 1 here, so 4, 8. And no help here, 1, 4, 8. For this box, we're missing 3, 4, 6, and 8. We've got a 3 here and a 4 here, so 6, 8. 3 here, 8 here, so 4, 6. The 4 here, so 3, 6, 8. And the 8 here, so 3, 4, 6. For this row, we're missing 3, 4, 5, and 6. We've got 4 and 6 here, so 3, 5. 4 and 5 here, so 3, 6. So it looks like the only place the 5 can be in that row is here. For this box now, we're missing 2, 3, 6, and 7. We've got 6 and 7 here, so 2, 3. 2 here, so 3, 6, 7. Now the only place the 7 can be in that box is here. All right. For this column, we're missing 3, 4 and 6. We've got the 3 here, so 4, 6. And that means the only place the 4 can be in that column is here. That 4 makes this our 8, 4, 8, 4. That 4 and 8 makes this our 1. That 1 makes this our 6, 8, 4. That 6 makes this our 3, 1, 8. For this box now, we're missing a 5. Let's see. With that 8, we can get rid of this 8. With that 4, we can get rid of this 4. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 2, 6. That 6 makes this our 2, 3, 6. And that 3 makes this our 6 and 3. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.